Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we are going to show you how to edit videos in VSDC Editor, advanced tutorial of part 1. So let's go to VSDC Video Editor now. So if you are new to this channel, kindly press the subscribe button and bell icon, that will motivate us. So this is the basic interface of VSDC Video Editor. So now I'm going to create a blank project. I will give sample, and then we have options like YouTube, whatever platform you need to edit for. So as of now, if you are not sure, give free configuration, and then resolutions, whatever resolutions you want. So mine I'm going to give like full HD. So that is the default size screen resolution of my monitor. So next I'm going to give this is audio options. So whatever it is present, you can keep at last like that. So this is a background color and this opacity for that. So now I'm going to finish it. So this will be the basic screen appearing. So if you want to change it to any other color, you can click on this color icon and click on whatever color you want. I'm going to click and show you. So basically black will be better, so I'm going to go back to black. Now you can see it is back in black. So now I'm going to show you the properties. These are configured while creating the project. So then now I'm going to import a video to the project. Click on open, and this pops up in a window which is having options like where to import the video from, which position. Sorry. So this is the from cursor position, means wherever your cursor is present, it will be importing. From scene begin, it will import from the start, and from manual you can enter. And so I'm going to give from cursor positions or manual. So the video is imported. So now I'm going to show you this. If you expand this, you can see the thumbnail as well. If you minimize, you can't see the thumbnail. And if you click right click on it, and you have many options like cropping, converting, splitting, size alignment, and transformations, video effects, various options. And order is one of the options you can use if you have multiple clips. As of now, I'm going to play you the video. So while previewing, if you want to see the original quality, you can click original, and I'm going to preview it. This is the video quality I'm having. So, and now I'm going to do some basic stuffs with this video. First of all, what I'm going to do is like add an intro to this video. Click on that image tab and click on the image you want to add, and same window appears. And now I'm going to show you old parent duration, and from scene begin, whatever option you want to give, you can give. I'm going to give from cursor position, and we have an option called layer position. Insert to layer means it will insert to the same layer, sorry, next layer. And insert to new layer, insert add to layer, it will insert at the top. So now you can see the properties, and I have a duration of 30-second video, and same is having the duration. So intro is like we can have for 5 seconds, so I'm going to give for 5 seconds. So the image will align it to 5 seconds, and I will add the video behind this image. So next step is we will preview it once. This is the intro I'm going to add. Image file. Now it's image file. I will add the intro soon. So now I'm going to add the text to this. So click on the T symbol and click on text, and now it will open and same window where you want to insert the text. So basically you can click OK, because it will be better if you click OK, and then size of the text you want to, where the size you want to place, and click on that and give the sample name, sorry, name of the text you want to add. I'm going to give sample video. You can give your own text, and then click on the colors. Basically it will come white, but if you want to change, you can change. You have a variety of colors and variety of themes. I'm going to give yellow color, and the size will be like, sorry, size will be 92, will be good for a video entry. So I'm going to center it. Now I'm going to center it properly. so that it will appear on this perfectly in my video. Next is I'm going to preview it. I'll play a button and the video is started running, and so you can see the video is running. So to right click on the text and you can see video effects. You have various of options like quick style adjustment, filters, transforms, transparency, special VFX, various options which you can use for text. I'm going to show you one of that options. So what I'm going to use is like transparency fade in. So this will be a better for a demo purpose. And where you want to add it, I'm going to add it from scene begin. So click on OK, and you can see the preview. It is like fading in into the video. So if you want to see a little bit more, you can see slowly it is fading in. So that's it for basic transformation of fading in. So now you can see the sample video is playing over the original video, sample text, but we don't want it. So I'm going to make the same size as the photo image, sorry. So now if you play, you can see the sample video only, it will come in the main intro. Afterwards it won't come. Now I'm going to add some more VFX. Now I'm going to add some transition like chess. No, I'll go with mosaic. So if you want to add a mosaic, you can add it to scene in, it will be much better. So I'm going to add it at the scene in, but I will minimize the fade in so that you can see the mosaic as well. So that's it, I've added it. You can see the preview. Click on playing. So I'm going to click so you can see the mosaic is there. So that's it. This is the basic editing of fading in and mosaic I have added. You can add whatever transition you want, or theme or whatever facility by right clicking and just using the properties they have given. Click on it and go to video effects, same procedures, and you have many options like quick styles. This won't be available for text, but it will be available for video. So then you have most of the features in adjustments. You can use that. I'm going to show you some basics. So this and all won't be that much easy for now. So I'm going to use transparency and I'm going to show you the fade out and transition or transparency, sorry, fade out only I'm going to show you. So I'm going to give OK scene name. So what it will be like, it will be fading out. Before that I will show you the original preview before using the transitions. So it will be like just like that, it will end without fading. So if I add the transition, now you can see the difference. So fade out and from scene end to scene end, sorry, and click OK, then play it and you can see the difference. It will be fading out, but will give some impression to your channel. Now I'm going to main menu like using the scene. So now I'm going to insert an video into the same video like a subscription. I'm going to add it, and where you want to add it, from cursor position, but I have added it at the last because I didn't click the add new layer. So I will show you how to add at the same position. So bring the cursor there again and click on video and click the video you have done, and here I have given insert to layer, so it has inserted at the last. Now if you give insert to new layer or add new layer, it will insert in a separate layer. Insert new layer, it will add it at the same place, but add new layer, it will add it at the top. So I'm going to size it according to the video. So basically it is having some extra black shape that is not needed, so I'm going to crop it. Crop tools and go to custom region, then crop it as the requirement. As per your requirement, crop it and click on OK. so this will make it a little bit good. So I'm going to minimize it a little bit so that it will be much better to preview. Now I will preview it. You can see this will be good. This is how we will create an video YouTube subscribe button into it. So if you don't know how to create any subscribe button, click on the link above and learn it. So after this, if you want to split a video file, right click and click on cutting and splitting. This will open a window where you can move the required cursor where you want to cut. Sorry, this is not the video I was looking for to cut. I'm going to cut the original video. So right click on it and click cutting and splitting, and then move the place where you want to cut and add some functions. So if you want to cut it here, pause it and then add a marker. That's it, and give apply changes. To add a marker, so give apply changes. So it will ask you whether you want to split, place, separate, and split, and remove the source object. 3 options. So basically you don't want to do anything, just like that you can leave and click OK. So it will split the files, 2 separate files. One is having like 14 seconds, and another is having 15 seconds. Totally we add 30, so it is splitted. So if you want to add any transition at the end, you can click on it and move the cursor to the place where you want to add the transition. Since we have added transition earlier, it is being shown on both the video. So if you want to add transition separately, you need to click on the video, and I'm going to preview it once. So if you want to click on the video, double click the video, and you can see the transition appearing. So we have created this already, the fourth step. So if you want to add some other transition, go to that video, delete this both so that you can add your own transition. If you want to add the special VFX, and go to VFX, smoke I'm going to add. I will do OK. So then move the position where you want to add the smoke, and then you need to preview it. So I'm going to move the cursor so that you can preview it. I'm going to play it. You can see the smoke effect is coming. So we have added smoke effect to that video. So next is what I'm going to do is like add an audio, external audio to this video, so that it will look like a complete tutorial. So what you want to do is add the audio from the starting. Before that, what you need to do is remove the original song. For that, right click, I'm going to click on it once. Sorry guys. Click on it. I'm going to drag, and I will see audio track. Don't use audio. Click on that. Don't use audio, so that your audio won't play. So next is like I'm going to add the audio file. Go to the audio symbol. Click on it and add the file you want to add. Click on the file you want to add. I'm going to add a video audio file of my choice. Some cursor position you can give, that will be fine, and click OK. So now we don't need this much audio, so I'm going to align it to my video. So this is aligned, so I will preview it. So it is playing the audio. So you can see the audio is pretty much good with the video. So now if you want to do any transformation with the audio, you can right click, and you can see properties of the audio there. And if you want some transition, go to amplify, fade out, you can give. That will fade out the audio at the end, so you can play. It will be fading out. Audio as well will be fading out. It will be a good ending to the video. So that's it guys. Actually we have pretty much covered, but so this later steps, animation and all, we will create a new tutorial for that. So this is already done with this tutorial, and we have many options in this VSDC Video Editor which can be done using this VSDC Video Editor. So subtitles, whatever you want, you can create using add subtitles, and then add tooltip. It will add a tooltip to your video. And sorry for that, this notifications. So basically I'm done with this editing. So after editing we can go to export, and we have an export option: web, PC, web, iPhone, iPad, Android, DVD, any options which can be used to export. And if you are using for YouTube, you can go for web. That will be the best option from YouTube, and 1080p, which will be the best resolution for this. And edit profile. If edit profile is where the point comes from. If you don't want to create a huge file, you can go for PC, an MPG profile or lossless profile. Both are small profile files that will create a small file, not that much big. Just 1080p file will create a big file, and so then you can export it if you want. And if you are having some doubts regarding this edit profile, you can we have created a special video for this edit profile, what it will doing. You can watch that. I will put a link. So that's it guys, kindly subscribe and do press the bell notification.